I reported.
Alright, go for it.
They're still minors.
Wait, now, there's a second part to it? It's not it? Alright.
I have his dad's permission.
Yeah, yours, right? I have his dad's permission.
What part did you
cut it? You wanna cut it? You were looking for this or no?
How do you put this?
Yeah, that's 3/4 chip. This is supposed to be. Yeah, I'm tying it. Yeah. Was it feisty? You're close to this measurement? Oh no,
You have a fish? You have your piece? Hello?
Should fit in there.
The finished piece is that over there.
No, este le falta un hex acá arriba. Like a regular bolt.
So no one has it fully done yet. Oh, okay.
You guys actually dunked it?
Wait,